Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe. Also, we are a channel. We put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free. It's very simple. Down below there is a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray, and next to it there is a bell. You can turn it to become to all, and like that. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, or you can join our Telegram to get notified more quicker in here. So let's start our analysis of Bitcoin of today, my friend. As you see, my friend, here we are in the weekly, and in the weekly, what the candle here telling us, the one which is going now. Look at it, very clear, my friend. Look at it. Now there is one of 2 scenarios, my friend. That candle here to become an inverted hammer. Then after that, the price to push up again, and it's going to give us here a W like that. Or another scenario, that candle to become like how it happened here in that zone, my friend. Here, as you see it, what's happening here when that candle came is the same one. Here is the same inverted hammer. That one which is going now is an inverted hammer, my friend. Everything is too clear. And another time it came, let me show it to you. It came here again is another inverted hammer. As you see it here, red and green. So there is 1 or 2 now. Also now we got an inverted hammer. It's very clear now in the chart. As you see it now, my friend, the inverted hammer is very clear. It's left for it 1 day to finish. Then we're going to come to you when the weekly candle finishes. Then we're going to update you. But till now, that inverted hammer, what it's showing, the volume down, it's spiking. And here, what you got, you can even draw here an inside bar like that. I think everything is too clear, my friend. And here down, let's see it here down. What you see in, my friend, even the volume of that candle, it's spiking a little bit. It's breaking for you that moving average, that one also we have in here. When there is bigger volume here happening, but till now there is nothing confirmed yet. So we need to wait in the coming days what's going to tell us. And by the way, that week there is very stronger news. And here in the price action, my friend, it's very clear here. What did I told you before? Here, look at it. Here, it's a very clear triangle, my friend, like that, in the weekly, as you see it. Now, there is 1 or 2. The triangle here is going to be broken down here, and we're going to come us, and we're making a calculation from here to here, like that, and we're making the target lower, like here, about 14k or 12k, because me I got the target at 12k. Or another scenario here, it will go upward and give us, like I told you before, a W, my friend. To make a close eye at those things, because why me I said it's going to fall down. Let me show you something here. You need to see what the price of Bitcoin done for you here, my friend. It came down here. It go back to the 200 moving average. Then the 200 moving average, it become here like a stronger resistance. And as you see it, it falling down. So now there is 1 or 2. The market to break for you that lower here and to give you a lower low. So like that, we will be here in a trend. Falling trend, let's make it like that. Here, low, then it's happen here, a high like that, then it's need to give you another low like that. So like that, you're going to be in a low, in a downtrend, my friend, like that, as you see it. But till now, it hasn't breaking for us. Now, also, we need to wait in for us to be sure as we are in a downtrend. It needs the market to come and to break for us that lower here. If it doesn't, that means there is nothing confirmed yet. It might from here, it will go back and give us a W like that. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? And know me, personally, the Bitcoin before it's going to run high is going to spend a long time ranging or sideways down. So till now there is nothing confirmed, my friend. This is our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, my friend, it's still here at the oversold area, and I tell it to you, the one when you enter at the oversold area is very stronger signal of buying. But one thing now, it needs the price to give us here a price action, indicate us we are going to go higher than that. You know what I'm saying or no? It needs the price of the Bitcoin here in the chart to give us a price action, indicate that downtrend is going to change. Because till now, us we're still in a downtrend, my friend. There is nothing confirmed us we're changing the downtrend to an uptrend. Don't believe no one. There is no one can tell you, oh, you can buy or something. You get it or no? And also we're making our analysis before, if you remember it, what else we said? We said we got here, that wage here, and it started from the top. And we said the target is going to be here at 17,207. Then after that, maybe it's going to fall down till 12k 867. So you need to make a close eye at those things, or here it's going to go back up till 27,535, my friend. But here, if it came back up and breaking for you just here, that last high here we reached to it before at 24k, also we are going to change that trend to upward, my friend. There is no falling again. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to the daily to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here we are in the daily, my friend. And by the way, before we even go into analyze for you the daily, you watching us now, you, are you a subscriber or no? If you are not a subscriber, it's very simple, my friend. Go now and subscribe to our channel. And by the way, I want from you guys that video to reach at least to 40 likes. Please help us that video to reach to 40 likes. Okay, you done it? Let's continue, my friend. So here in the daily, my friend, the picture is very, very, very clear here. Look here. When we're breaking that 200 moving average here, it fell down here. We go back to it. He test it again. So the 200 moving average here, it become like a resistance. So look at it. What happened here? He fell down. Here he tried to make a consolidation. Now he fall down. And here in the daily, look at it. What did I told you before? Here, it give you here a very stronger triangle like that. As you see it, my friend. Now that one, what you need to do? You need to wait in where it's going to be broken. If it's breaking for you, lower here, you enter short. If it go back up and it need to break for you the high, that's the right time for you to enter long. And it need to break, if it go back, it need to break even the 200 moving average, because you need to make a close eye at the 200 moving average. Because all the investors, all the other investors, they're looking at the 200 moving average, my friend. You need to make a close eye at those things. Because me, I know personally a lot of people, I know them now, they just entering short in the Bitcoin. They don't buy in. They just entering short in it. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. And here, let's zoom it. And here in the close view here, what we said yesterday, if you remember, and you've been someone with us for some time, we said here, that candle here, that one, which is finished yesterday, it become like an indecision candle, and that one indicate the market is going to fall down, like how it's happening here. If you see it here, it happened there, then the market fall down, and even here. So now what the market indicating to us, the market is indicating to us it's falling. As you see it. Another thing where we got here, show it to you yesterday, but it's okay, it's back it again. I told you got here like a flag like that. The market, that's what it give you here, like a small flag like that. Like how it give it to you before. Now what you need to do, you need to make a close eye at that level here. If it's going to be broken, if it's being broken, you came like that and you're calculating down, my friend. Everything is very simple like that. The market now is trying to give you there like a small flag, my friend. So you need to make a close eye at it. If you go into lower time frames, it's going to be that flag more clear to you. So everything is too clear here. And here, that level here down is very stronger level. That level also being followed for a long time till now. We need to see it if it's going to be broken or not, as you see it. And here, what did I told you yesterday here? Here, all right, let me show it to you. Here, what did I told you yesterday? Here, I told you that trend line also we got here. By the way, that white one here, that one is a very stronger long-term trend, my friend. It's been holding the Bitcoin from 2014, let's say it like that. From 2014, and also we're following that trend. Every time when it touch it, the Bitcoin go up. Look now when it came to it, over here, it's being broken. Here in that candle, that one, it's being broken. It came that green one, he tried to go back, but that red one, it pushed it down. Then it came that pin bar here, that green one here. Look what it did. That trend line, it's acting there like a resistance. Then it came that green candle here. He couldn't break it again. That red one, it's showing here, the top of it, there is a big pushing down and couldn't break the trend line. Now that candle here, it's showing us we're going more lower. Now what we need to do, you need to make a close eye at the lower here. The only level it can hold in for you, the Bitcoin. If it doesn't hold it, you're going to see it falling more lower, my friend. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That one, my friend, that indicator of us, that one, it's still in his place, as you see it. It's still here, enter into the oversold area, but till now it hasn't become red like the previous one. So it's still for it more room, still orange. So it needs to fall down more down. I think everything is too clear here. Let's see our other one for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, our indicator, that one, my friend, that one is another story. If you remember what else we saying about it before, and you've been someone who following us for some time, what else we said? We said here, my friend, we got like a small flag here, and the Bitcoin couldn't break it yet. So as you see, he came to the top of it here. He couldn't break it. He came to the lower of it. He couldn't break it. And now is it near to the lower of it here. Now you need to make a close eye. If it's going to break for you, that means that the indicator of us is going to give you lower low, my friend. I think everything is too clear, my friend. You get what I'm saying or no? If it's breaking for you, it's going to give you lower low, my friend, and it will go to the oversold area, my friend. Remember those things, and I'm going to update you when it's going to become at the oversold area, my friend. It's very simple to be notified when also we put it that signal. You just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash the like button. I want that like button today to explosion, my friend. Disaster the like button, my friend, to help us to growing up more that channel. If you done it, thank you very much, my friend, for your support. Let's continue it more. Now let's go into the 4 hours, my friend, to see in the 4 hours what the Bitcoin doing there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, if you remember what else we used to have here, like a trend line like that, and we said over here it's being broken, and down here we used to have like a wedge like that, or a triangle like that. You remember those things? Then we said here it's being broken, but he couldn't break for us the high. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. I'm sorry. Us here used to have a trend line like that, here like that. That candle here, that one, it break it. Then look what it did. It came upward, then it fell down to it. Yes or no? But here, look now with me, very important, my friend. Here, what the price of the Bitcoin done for you here. It can tell that zone here, but he couldn't break it. I want to tell it to you in the previous video. I told you that one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. Told you got one in the top and one down here, as you see it. One in the top, one down. The Bitcoin couldn't break the top one and couldn't break the lower one. The lower one, you are in it now, my friend, as you see it. You are in the lower one now. So now what is it, the picture now? It's still early, my friend. Just for the people now, they like to scalp or day trade the market. Those ones, yes, they can enter now to here. And they put in stop loss down here. Those ones, because those ones, they're aiming only for 2%, 3% a day. Those ones, they can benefiting from those small moves. Investors, it's still very early for you, my friend. And as you see, the Bitcoin try to give you there like a small flag now. Now you, if you are an investor or a positional trader or a swing trader, you need to wait in where is going to be the breakout. If it's breaking up, you enter with it long. If it's breaking low, if it's breaking for you here, you enter with it long. If it's breaking for you lower here, you enter with it short. By the way, if you are an investor or a positional trader, you will not enter short, only if you're using the marginal leverage, and that one is very dangerous for you. So everything is too clear here. Let's go back to see more. And here, something very important, my friend. Look at it. Let me zoom it for you like that, for the picture to be more clear to you. Look at here in that zone, and make a close eye with me. When it happened here to here, what's happening? There is no big volume to push down, my friend. After that big red candle, that one came, and that one, what's happening here? The sellers and the buyers, there is no big volume. Everyone he waiting now what's going to happen. If it's going to break down, because there is not a lot of people they pushing down to break that supply and demand zone, and there is not a lot of people they buying. Because down here in the volume, it show you everything. It can anyone tell you anything he want, but the volume, he tell you what the market doing right now. There is no volume, my friend. There is nothing. The market is dead now. Let's make it like that. There is no one buying. There is no one selling. As you see it, that candle which is going now, as you see it, how it doing. And here, if you bring in something like that and you make it like that, like a small trend line like that, what you see in here? You see in the volume is going down and down and down and down. Even those candles, my friend, here, that's what they're showing you as you see them. The volume is getting smaller and smaller, my friend. Everything is too clear? Let's see our indicator, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, the one, if you remember, and you've been someone with us for some time, what else we used to say. We said here, my friend, we got like a divergence like that. So let's draw it together like that. And we said something else. We said here in the middle, that one is where the bears, they are in control. Here in the top, that where is the bulls, they are in control. Yes or no? That's what also we said before. What we said else, let me zoom it. Here, what we said here. Here we said, over here, you got like a small flag like that, or a channel like that. Every time that one, he touch it lower, he go up, he touch it up, he fall down. But tell me, you still in the bear's control, my friend. because it hasn't came and break for us the middle here. When it's break it for you and go to the top to the balls area, that's when you're going to know is going up. Now, what's my view to it? My view to it is going to fall down again to come back to touch the trend line of the divergence as we draw. That one. As you see it, that one. As we draw it from here and here and here. By the way, to know how also using that indicator, you can join our course. The course is in the first comment. By the way, it's not expensive. It's only 13 bucks if you want to learn technical analysis or you want to learn how to invest in Bitcoin. Go to that course, my friend. It's going to teach you a lot of things, but it's up to you. So, everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area. There is a big move coming, but it's not yet, my friend. Not yet. Not yet. We don't know. Maybe that flag, is it here in the chart? It's just a trap for you to enter. Then it's going to drive it more down, my friend. Make a close eye at it. Make a close eye at that flag. Look at it. Let me show it to you. Look, here. What you seeing, my friend? Here. Over there, what you seeing? Here, like that. And you came here, like that. That's a flag, my friend. You came, you calculating from here to here, and you make it if it's going to breaking down or up. Because yes, the indicator of us is it at the oversold area, but the price action not yet breaking up or down. And also is still down the 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend, for you. Let's say 30 minutes now for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, as I tell it to you before, I tell you here, you got an accumulation level here and here in the top. And I tell you, if you want to be a day trader or a scalper, over here, you can make very nice money here. When it came down, you enter long. When it's going up, you take profit. The same thing here. Now look at it. Is it down here? At the lower of that one. By the way, let me show you something extra here. Now let's say you want to enter to be a scalper or something like that. Look here, you drawing here a small triangle like that. With the help of our indicator, if it's breaking for you the up of it, here you enter long. Everything is in front of you, my friend. Me, I'm giving you trading strategies here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling you for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator is showing you that the right time for you to buy, my friend. That's what I told you. I tell it to you in the previous video. I told you the Bitcoin is going to stay for some time here ranging. And I show you all those things. I told you the 5th time or after that it's going to break. So if you don't watch in the previous video, go back and watch it, my friend. I think that's it for that video, my friend. See you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now.